Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Friends, we are solving the questions of circle, that is 10.2 of class 10th. Friends, we have already solved 11 questions of this exercise. So now I will solve question number 12 for you. Friends, you should read the question first properly and then you should start solving. Definitely you will be getting 100%. You see, a triangle ABC is drawn. So this is triangle ABC. Now, to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So this is a circle that is radius is 4 centimeter. Such that the segment BD and CD. So these are the segment BD and CD, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D. This is the point of contact D. Are of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This line segment is being divided by point of contact D, so that its length will be 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So you see, BD will be 8 and CD is 6. Now find the side AB and AC. Now we need to get the length of side AB and AC. So this is here AB and this is here AC. Now you see how we solve the questions. Friends, as you know, I have told you earlier, if B will be an exterior point, then the length of BD, and this should be named also, let it be E and F. If B will be an exterior point, then the length of BE will be equal to BD. Okay? Now, I am writing, in solution, I am writing, since B is an exterior point, B is an exterior point. Since B is an exterior point, therefore BD will be equal to BE. And now the length of BD is 8, that's why this will be also 8. So will be of 8 centimeter. So similarly, the length of CD will be equal to CF. Similarly, CD equal to CF. And now CD is equal to 6, that's why CF will also be 6. Again, in the same way, if A will be an exterior point, then the length of AE and AF will be equal. See again, AE is equal to AF. Now the length of AE and AF is not given. If we find the length of AE and AF, we can easily get the length of AB and AC. You should know one more thing, that length of AE will be equal to the length of AF, because A is an exterior point, therefore AE will be equal to AF. Okay, so either you need to get AF or AE. In both cases you will be getting AB and AC. So here is nothing, the length has not been given, that's why I assume it as X. Length is not given, that's why I assumed it as X. So right here, let AE is equal to X. So directly AF will also be X, will be equal to AF. Okay, so the length is X and X here. Now we start solving the question. Now I am erasing this. Whatever I have written here, that has already been put in the figure also. Whatever I have written here, that has also been put on the figure also. I have written this is 8, this will be also 8, that's why I have written here 8. I have written here this is 6, that's why it will be also 6. I have written here 6. I have assumed this X, that's why it will be also X. I have written on the figure also. Okay, everything I have written on this figure. Now you see the solution. Now we need to do a construction like this. So this will be 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Why this is 90 degree? Because tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Since tangent is always perpendicular to the radius, that's why we need to do this. Okay, now you see the solution now. Since radius is always perpendicular to the tangent and tangent is perpendicular to the radius, okay, that's why the angle here will be of 90 degree. This angle will also 90 degree, this angle will also be 90 degree. And now join this also. Okay, so overall we are having three triangles in this ABC. This ABC will contain three angles. So first of all, in triangle BOC, in triangle BOC, we are getting the area of triangle BOC. So area of triangle BOC will be equal to half into base into height. So half will be here, and what will be the base? Base will be 8 and 6 will be 14. This is the 14. We are getting the area 1 into 2 half into height will be 14. Sorry, base will be 14 and height is 4. So now you see 2 2s are 4. This will be 14 into 2 will be 28 centimeter square. Okay, now again we are getting the area of triangle AOB now. Area of triangle AOB. So area of triangle AOB will be equal to half into base into height. So base will be this time 8 and 6 will be getting 8 and x will be 8 plus x. So area will be 8 plus x now here into height will be what? This is height, this is radius, this will be 4, this will also be 4. So into 4 will be 2 into 2, and now this will be 2 into 8 plus x. 2 into 8 plus x. Now you should solve 8 to the 16, and this 2 and x will be 2x. So this will be the area of triangle what? AOB. Now we have got AOB and BOC. Now one more thing we need to get, the area of triangle AOC. Now we should get area of triangle AOC. Now you see the area of triangle AOC. BOC we have got 28. Okay. Now area of triangle AOC. So this is AOC. So again we will have the same formula, half into base into height. Half will be here, base will be what? This will be base. So the length of base will be 6 plus x. This is 6 plus x. So half into 6 plus x into height. Height will be 4. So 2 2s are 4. So it will be multiplied by 2 into 6 plus x. So this will be 12 plus this is 2x. Okay. Now we can say the area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle BOC plus AOB plus AOC. Okay. We have divided the triangle ABC into three small triangles. We have divided the triangle ABC into three small triangles, and the name of the three small triangles will be BOC, AOB and AOC. Okay, now so we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to what? 12 plus 2x, 16 plus 2x and plus 28, because we have got the area of BOC is equal to 28. Now we can write area is 16 plus 2x. The area of this triangle is what? 16 plus 2x. This is the area. Area of this triangle was 28, and the area of this triangle we have got now, that was 12 plus 2x. This was the area of this triangle. This is area. This is area. This is area. Area of this triangle. This is area of this triangle. This is area of this triangle. Now again we need to get the area of triangle ABC by using Heron formula. We can get the area of any triangle in two ways. Either you need to use Heron formula, or either you need to use half into base into height. Using half into base into height, I have divided the whole triangle into three parts, and we have got this separately, area separately. And now this time this whole triangle ABC will be taken. Okay, and we will be using the formula of Heron. So now for Heron, first of all we must have S, and the formula of S is A plus B plus C. This A and B and C will be the sides of triangle. So the sides of triangle will be 14 plus this is 8 plus x, and this is 6 plus x. So let it be A, let it be A, let it be B, and let it be C. So a plus b plus c, first of all we need to get the s and then by 2. So solve it. 14 and 8 will be 22, 22 and 6 will be 28, and x plus x will be 2x by 2. Now 2 will be taken as a common, so here will be 14 plus x by 2. 2 will be cancelled. So now you will be getting 14 plus x. The value as s will be 14 plus x. S we have got 14 plus x. We have got s 14 plus x. Now use the formula. Now Heron formula. What is Heron formula? In Heron formula, area of triangle ABC will be equal to root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So now the value of s is 14 plus x. Then bracket s minus a, then s again s will be 14 plus x minus the formula a will be 14. Again s means 14 plus x minus formula b, I mean b will be 8 minus x. Because it is here in minus, we need to put here bracket also. We should put right like this, and when this bracket will be removed, this sign will be changed. That's why I am writing it here directly, minus 8 minus x. And then again s minus c. So again the value of s is 14 plus x minus c will be 6 minus x, because minus c is here. So whenever we put here minus, so this both term will be in minus. So x will be cancelled, x will be cancelled because it is opposite side, opposite sign. 14 cancel, they are having opposite sign. Now this will be 14 plus x only, nothing to do with this. And now here it is x into, here it is 14 minus 8 will be 6. Now here again 14 minus 6 will be what? 8. Now the whole term, this whole term will be equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay, what was the area of triangle ABC? That was area of triangle BOC plus AOB plus AOC. That we are going to put here. Now let it be here only. Now let it be here. Now this area will be equal to area of triangle ABC can be written as area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle what? AOC. This we can write, and this we have got here 14 plus x into x. This is the area of triangle ABC. Now separately we have got the area. The area of this figure is 28. The area of this AOB was 16 plus 2x. And now area of AOC will be 12 plus 2x. 12 plus 2x. Now we need to solve this. We will be getting the answer. So here what to do? 14 into x will be 14x. No, we need to wait. First of all we need to solve this. This will be 48x. 14 plus x into this will be 48x. This here, and this square, this root will be in square. Going to that side, this will change into square. So here 2x will be 4x, and then 28 and 16 will be 44, and 44 and 12 will be 56. This will be 56. Okay. This 12 and 16 will be 44, 44 and 12 will be 56. Now we need to solve this for getting the value of x. And because of this will be in square, because this side there was square root, so squaring on both sides. We can write squaring on both sides. So square and root will be cancelled. So here it will be 14x into 48x, square or root will be cancelled, and here it will be 4x plus 56, and then whole square. This is 14 plus x into 48x also is here. So we can write this 4x plus 14 4 has been taken as a common, so we can write this like this. So square of, so we can write this x plus 14. 14 plus x or x plus 14 will be same, into 48x is equal to square of 4 will be 16 and square of x plus 14 will be the same. So this will be taken that side. So here it will be 48x is equal to 16 into, this should be written 2 times because square is here, that's why I have written here 2 times. So this will be in division, because here it is in multiplication, it will be in division. So x plus 14 will be cancelled, and this 16 3s will be 48. So here will be 3 into x, 3x, and here you are getting x plus 14. So x will be taken this side, will be 3x minus x is equal to 14. So in this way, how can we get the answer? So this will be 2x is equal to 14. So therefore the value of x is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7. So the value of x is here 7. Therefore AE will be equal to AF is equal to 7. So value of AE and AF will be 7. So now I am erasing this off. No need to write like this. So now we have got 7, right here 7, this is also 7. Now what is to get? AB and AC. So AB this time will be, therefore AB will be written as AE plus EB. AE plus EB. So will be AE will be 7 and EB is 8. So will be 15 centimeter. And in the same way, AC can be written as AF plus FC. AF plus FC. And now AF is 7 or FC is given, that is 6. So it will be 13 centimeter. So this method can be useful for you. You can get the value of AB and AC like this. I hope you have understood it well. Okay, bye.